Today we are going to learn about some AI tools which will help you automate your business. These tools are surely going to blow your mind. Today we are going to learn that how you can build your website within just few seconds, how you can create logos just the way you want, and how you can create a chatbot just for your business with some simple clicks. If you want to learn more about AI tools, you can join our workshop program. Link is in the description.
Do you know AI is so powerful that you can run a company using AI and make crores in revenue? Hi, I'm Aditya Goenka and I ran a 4 people company which has a yearly revenue of rupees 3 crores all using AI with just 4 employees, and we are able to serve more than 10,000 people every single year. Want to learn how you can do this?
Now, our first tool is Durable. This tool literally helps us create a website within a few seconds, that too in free. You just have to enter a few details of yours. For instance, I am making a website for a business whose category is clothing. Location West Bengal, Kolkata. Next, name of your business, let's say Navastra. Now it's processing all the details. I skipped the video a bit, but I counted for you. It took 11 seconds to create this masterpiece. Building a website takes a lot of efforts and money. You have to go to a programmer. But now you can also create this high quality website with yourself. You can customize this according to your preferences. You can edit the photos, texts, and even the format. To customize, you have to create an account, which I just did right now. Here you can edit all the descriptions, paragraphs, images, etc. Here I suggest you can use copy.ai or some other AI tools. They can write it for you. In the website, if you don't like an entire section, you can just regenerate it. I am done editing my website. Now I will save it. After you save everything, you get a preview option in the right top corner of the screen, and then you can publish it. The option is in the bottom of the screen in the purple text, as you can see. It automatically gave me a domain name, which is navastra.mydurable.com. And here you go. My website is live. Now when I search it on a new tab, you can see it opened. It blows my mind when I say that I made this website just within a seconds with a simple few clicks. But guys, this was just a trailer from a movie. What I mean is the world of AI is so vast, you will be amazed when you see what else it can do. So far, we all know that it's not just a mere trend, it's a necessity. It's taking over the world. In such a short span of time, we have seen so many layoffs, millions of jobs has been replaced by AI and what not. You don't want to get affected by this recession wave, right? Well, AI won't replace you, but the person using AI will. If you want to save your job and become irreplaceable in your career, join our 3-hour workshop in which we will teach you about the best AI tools to upskill, increase your productivity, and enhance your career. Make your future secure with us. Join our workshop by clicking the link below in the description now. Let's continue to our next tool, which is Stockim.ai. This tool is a power packed solution for all your wallpapers, stock image, logos, posters, illustrations, book covers, design text, effects, and QR codes. You just have to create an account and then you will get an access to various of options. For example, I am creating a logo. Here in the prompt section, you can describe your vision of how you want your logo to look like. You also get some pre-written prompt suggestion from the AI itself. For instance, I chose wooden logo on a palm tree and the content will be B10x. You can also explore some advanced option and then you are good to go. Click on generate. These are the results. These are the logo option that it suggested me. You can create your logo according to your vision, but the prompt that you are using must be good. Now moving on to our third AI and the most interesting AI, which is Dante.ai. This one helps us to create our own chatbot without any lengthy process. In the right panel of the website, you can see an option which is knowledge base. You have to click on new knowledge base. It is for making Dante identify your company for which you are making the chatbot. You don't have to give any lengthy descriptions, but just a few URLs. I am entering the website URL of our company, which is b10x.in. You can enter the URLs of various web pages from where you want this AI to extract information to give to the customer. After entering all the preferable URLs of your web pages, your chatbot is all set. For demo, I am asking this chatbot that how can I enroll for the workshop in B10X. See, it replied. To enroll in a workshop, you can visit the website and navigate to the workshop section. There, you will find the available workshops. Choose the workshop you are interested in and follow the instructions provided to enroll. Next, I am asking, how will this workshop help me? See, it replied with the correct answer. It also provides some suggested questions for the user to ask. As our chatbot is ready, we can move forward by clicking on Start here on the top panel. Once the processing is ready, you can carry forward your chatbot to your website. I hope you like this tool. If you want to learn more about some cool AI tools, you can join our workshop by clicking on the link in the description now. That's all for today. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more interesting videos. I will see you on my next video. All the best.